Hello, today I'm going to show you how to remove automatic foil or wrap around your car or something else, because maybe you like to change the look of your car, but there is a vinyl installed anymore. For this we will need a little bit of hot air. Yeah, this is an hot air gun. Of course, it's a professional style gun, but you can perform it with an standard heat gun too, as you like. In this case, I used 400 degrees Celsius, and you can see I rotate around the area where I like to remove the vinyl again to make it a little bit softer, because it was getting this side with a hot air, and the same thing is we have to use hot air to remove it again, because it's much easier if you use hot air for it. And a plastic spatula. This is the next big thing. Do not use a screwdriver, because this is made out of metal. Use a plastic spatula. And if you have begun a little bit, then you can continue with a little bit of hot air. And while you are pull on the side of the vinyl, on the foil, you can heat up the other side, and while you are removing it, it is so easy, and you can peel it off the surface. Job's done. That's how you can remove it easily from your body. Not from your body cell. Body, it's the body of the car. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.